welcome back to my channel. So in this video, y'all about to get ready with me. I'm about to head out to my 10-year class reunion, high school class reunion. We don't even want to sit here and think about the time right now, because when you start thinking about the time and you be like, damn, a bitch is getting old, but whatever. But y'all already know that I gotta go in there glowing. I gotta go in there stunting on some bitches. Y'all know I gotta be in there like But seriously though, I gotta be looking the bomb. So let's just get right into this. So let me put on my, I'm gonna be doing my my regular foundation routine, but I'm gonna have to really like do some extra stuff, you know, because you know I gotta be looking the bomb. So I'm about to go in with this Strobe Cream. Y'all know my Strobe Cream I use. I'm about to go in there with this so I can be moisturized. Yes. I'm kind of excited for this reunion though. Some people I do know, and I do communicate with them like through Facebook and etc. on social networks, and others I just don't know. I never really had a friendship with them in high school. So you know, when you are in high school, you know, and you think about like where I'm gonna be at 10 years from now. So it's like for me, I literally like wrote down like everything I wanted to do within like 5 years, and like what I wanted to do in like 10 years. And some things I did accomplish, and some things I did deviate from some things off that list. But we're not going to focus on that right now. We're just going to focus on what I did accomplish. And I accomplished a lot. I really did accomplish a lot of things on that list. So that's the good thing about it. So that's the really good thing about being able to reflect on where you were 10 years ago and where you are now. So I'm excited. I don't think I want to go in there like really beat. I think I want to do something that's like really like, I want to be beat, but I want to be like a natural beat, you know, something not like a lot of makeup. I don't want to do like a glam look, even though I do want to like stunt on some bitches. I don't want to do like a really glam outlook, but like a natural stunt bitch, you know, like not bitch, but like a natural stunt beat, you know. So I want to be like a natural. I want to do like a natural stunt beat, like, you know, like a flawless face look, you know, just flawless. Not like, oh, that bitch got on a lot of makeup, you know. I don't want to do. I don't want that. I don't want that. Yeah. But I really do need to hurry up because it started at 6 o'clock, and I'm sitting here doing a video and doing makeup, planning makeup. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, my foundation that I'm using in this video, because I know in my last video I've been using like the NARS, but in this video I'm using MAC, and this is the Matchmaster, and this is in the shade 8.0. I forgot to tell y'all that. You see this? I need a little bit more coverage because you see this spot right here? So, but with this foundation, this is buildable, so you can do one coat. So I think I'm gonna do like 2 coats or whatever, because I need to be not beat but natural. And I'm gonna keep, I didn't even shave, so I'm gonna keep my facial hair like that. And this foundation, it dries. It dries fast too. And since I'm wearing a hat, I really don't like, when I wear hats, I really don't put a lot of foundation on my forehead, because like, what's the point? You know, I'm wearing a hat. So it's like, and then like when you sweat and stuff, the foundation get around the hat. It's just a mess. Feel like you just messing up a good hat for what? I know some people, when they do wear hats and they have on foundation, they put like a stocking cap on, so it won't mess up. The makeup won't touch the hat part. You know the hat? Do you know the part, that white little strip on the hat? Yeah, that part. So if you wear makeup and you be messing up your hats, maybe you want to wear a scarf, like a wig cap. That's what it's, a wig cap. You might want to wear a wig cap on your head. I think this is good enough. I will say in high school, I was like, I wasn't quiet though. I will say though, like in high school, I was kind of like more outgoing than I was in like middle school. In middle school, I was like more reserved, you know. But in high school, I was like a more outgoing kid or whatever. So I would say I did have like a lot of friends. You know, in high school, when you want to have like a lot of friends and you want to be known, you want to be like the person that be hanging, everybody want to hang around you and stuff like that. I would say I did have a lot of friends or whatever, but I was part of this program. It's called the IB program. I was part of that program, you know, for smart kids, and it isolated us from the regular students. So it was like I didn't interact with these regular kids until like lunchtime or electives like PE. That was the only time that I like seen them. So in order for me to like make friends outside of that program, I had to do extracurricular activities. So one extracurricular activity that I did in high school, I was part of the dance team, which is how I, like, you know, made friends outside of the program, which is how I became, you know, known a little bit in the school because of the dance team. So yeah, that's how I really gained my popularity in high school, through dance, being part of the dance team and being one of the co-captains of the dance team. So, you know, everybody tried to be your friend, you know, that wanted to dance. So I have fun though. I really have fun in high school. And sometimes I know I'll be like, I wish I could go back in high school to do everything over. Not high school over, but like college and everything over again. Cause I really didn't get the opportunity to go to the college that I really wanted to go to, which was like out of state. I ended up staying in state for college, but I really wanted to go out of state. That's the only thing that I wish I would have done differently, like just went out of state for school so I can just get that experience just being away. I think that would have been so awesome. But you know, you live, you learn, and obviously it wasn't meant to happen, so it wasn't meant to be, so it was whatever. And I'm already late. But it was like 4 hours. It's like 4 hours. Like, who's gonna be there? I don't want to see them people for 4 hours. 2 hour minimum, I would say. Like, that event should not be for no 4 or 5 hours. That is ridiculous. People got shit to do, for real. And I had things to do, which I did do before him, but I really need everything to be freaking snatched. Like, this nose need to be thin. It needs to be pointed and highlighted for the gods. When I'm doing my makeup as a guy, it usually don't take me long to get beat. But if I'm doing my makeup for Makaya, that's another story. It takes like 2 or 3 hours, like, because everything has to be freaking perfect, especially if I'm going to a ball. Y'all really do need to let me know what else y'all want me to do as far as like videos. I mean, I have a lot of ideas and everything, but I really would like for you guys to comment and let me know what you want to see, because I'm just going to be doing the videos that I do, and just let me know if you like them, and I'll just keep doing the same thing. But you know, let me know what y'all want to see as far as like what y'all want me to review, and I'll go out and get the products and I will review them for you, so you won't have to waste your money, because I buy makeup products like every other day. So I'm always buying makeup products. Every time I go to the store, I end up buying something. It can be like a lipstick or a new facial product just to try out. I'm always trying out something. So y'all let me know what y'all want me to try out, and I will do it. You just gotta let me know, boo. I'm still trying to debate if I want to do something for my eyes. I think for my eyes I might just do something like a gold or something. I think I might do that, because I don't want to do anything too much. I just want to look cute, you know? But cute and looking the bomb at the same time, you know? Y'all know what I mean. Nothing too crazy like my other videos, but and you know, I actually was gonna do Makaya tonight, but it's raining. Like, it's raining. It's gonna rain for 10 days here, so y'all already know I can't do that. If it's gonna be raining for 10 days and it's raining outside, and I don't even like the rain myself, and I'm not about to be in drag in the rain. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm not really telling y'all what I'm doing in this video. I'm not even showing y'all the products. Like, I'm really trying to rush, like, to get out the door, because I'm already late. I'm doing the same routine that I did, and my first Get Ready With Me video, I'm doing the same makeup routine that I did there, so it's nothing new. I usually do my eyebrows first if I'm wearing some eyeshadow or whatever, but I think I'm wearing eyeshadow tonight. Something I really don't like is how people be having these really thick ass eyebrows. Like they be like unnormal thick, and I'm like, nobody eyebrow is like that. Cause I have thick eyebrows, but my eyebrows don't be thick like some people I be seeing be posting on Instagram and stuff. They be looking cute, but I'm like, why do they do their eyebrows so thick? Nobody eyebrows naturally look like that. I don't know, maybe that's the look they be going for. But I don't like mine like that. I like mine how they are. Naturally. For my eyes, I'm really not gonna do anything extravagant. I think I'm just gonna go in and do like a brown, like a gold kind of like. So I'm gonna use, y'all think this, how does this look so far? How I'm looking, guys, how does this looking so far? This is called Chrome Spear. Chrome Spear. So now I think what I'm gonna do is, you guys, I'm sorry y'all. I really was not talking a lot during this video, but I was trying to think what I was gonna do. So this is the finished look, y'all. I know I did not do as much talking in this video because I was rushing, trying to get everything done. And you know, y'all just let me know what y'all think about this look in the comments, because I got to go. I really do have to go and go to this event because I'm already late, past late. I'll probably only be in there for like 30 minutes. But thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.